Robert and I found this gem of a place while we were staying in Tauranga recently. It's an old quarry with lovely gardens to walk around. Sculptures are scattered throughout the park, and even a waterfall for us to explore.
Okay, we get the picture.
But I did have to control Robert at times. But the views were to die for. So come along and enjoy Te Puna Quarry Park with us.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Te Puna Quarry Park started out as being a rock quarry in the early 1900s through until 1979. Situated 12 kilometres out of Tauranga, the quality of the quarried rock, which was rhyolite, was poor, according to the National Roads Board, but was still used as a base course on the Tauranga roads. A Te Puna Quarry Park Society was formed in 1993 and began developing this park into a local and national treasure. And by the year 2000, the park was officially opened and it even appeared on Maggie Barry's garden show. The park has since won many awards over the years. Only a few remnants of the original quarry remain, and it's free to wander around the park too.
Play on it at their own risk. Goodness. His name. Kohatumumoya. Nice. Flash. Keeps going. Oh. Little fishies in there. Hello. Hello. What might this have been? What is? Don't know. Okay, so where do we go now? Up here? Where? We could go up there. There's a walkway, isn't it? Or is it? Oh, does it go up there? Should we have a look? I'm trying to see what that is now. Not that I know what it is. We came up the hill. And there's that wheel. What is that, boy? Oh, danger, explosives, keep out. Where's the explosives? There's nothing. I say there's nothing in there. heck? What is that doing there? Look at that go. Oh look, there's a sheep. Sheep's eating the lamb's ears. Hello? Hello? Oh, leave it. Oh, cobweb. Oh no. Jeepers. Get away. Hello? Do you like these lamb's ears? They're yummy. Hard on the tongue. Yeah.
Creating the park was the brainchild of Shirley Sparks, who also envisioned an amphitheater here. Today, the amphitheater has been used for carols at Christmas time, weddings and concerts, where even Malvina Major has performed here. She's one of New Zealand's famous opera singers.
What a dig. Where are you, froggies? Woo-hoo. Nothing. Grass. Looks like grass, Bobby, but she isn't grass. It's frog pond. That's the only frog we're going to get to see, Bobby. No other froggies. Oh well. Okay. Nice too. Well, that was loud, wasn't it? Okay, we get the picture. Oh.
Nettle is the exclusive diet of the caterpillars. They eat nothing else. But in New Zealand, nettle is a weed, and that's why the yellow and red admiral butterflies are rarely seen here now. Whereas in Europe, nettle is a herb, used in soups, stews, and nettle tea. And once the butterflies have emerged from their chrysalis, they are set free.
Tuesday and Saturday.
It's open Tuesday and Saturday, did you say? So we can't see the butterflies because it's Wednesday today. Mary? visit. Tuatara? What that is? So gorgeous. I'm loving it. I'm at the rose garden, waiting for Robert. With the lawnmower man. Here he comes. Thought you were in front of me. Not even. Not roses. He's still mowing the lawn. Gee whiz, it's hot still. Isn't it? Crazy hot.
Kate Malcolm migrated to New Zealand from England when, in 1871, she married Walter Sheppard. Kate bucked the trend for a woman of those days, fighting for liquor prohibition, as she could see the harm it caused. Apparently, women were too fragile to ride bikes, so of course Kate joined an all-women's cycle club in Christchurch. Tight corsets and long skirts weren't sensible for her, so went riding in knickerbockers with no corset. And from 1891 to 1893, she, along with her supporters, organised petitions calling on Parliament to grant the vote for women. So, in 1893, New Zealand became the first country in the world where women could vote.
What's in here, Bobby? It's keeping your interest. I wish it will, but it's... you can't put anything in it. Whoa, it's cool. A dragon? There you are. I'm impressed. Children's slide. Dragon. What? Did it say we have to go over a stream? Oh man. Yay! We're on the right track. Beach. Oh, there it is.
This waterfall is called Te Mimi o Tuanehi, roughly translating to mean a man having a pee.
fruit. I'm so close to Te Puna, kiwi fruit capital. And there we are, back out again.